Wajet wajet.
I ain't never Juma by the mass waff and World Cup.
Who the wager on to one.
Me buy me Papa Bills, Miss No Coin. Yes, sir. Nephew. What's an answer sour and sano? Eddie a good shirt is Amy and Yerry. You show off. You show off.
Loose.
Hey,
it's loose.
No memo, me come into cone, I'm more memo. More Papa Bills, Jerry, more memo, me can't cone. I can't freaking me pen with your drobia man.
Rasta.
No one of them, Rasta.
There be Rasta, no. Super classic 6-pack. Rasta. Sexy Rasta.
Sexy African.
You say me 6-pack naira one ho.
African natural one no. African Ethiopia and
proper 6-pack.
Yeah man. But answer no happy belated birthday in come mama me boatma. Yes sister.
Yeah.
Na enraye na woda. Na me say e ba radio ne sambo for someone na.
Yeah.
Birthday na kudi achiru.
Yeah.
But mama back to downtown ko komlemle. Nice happy birthday from all of us at Ofie Kwanso to you Jerry. What's a minka?
The tupa. Yeah.
Okay.
Asam nam Kwanso ba.
Mo say me promise me mo say ada dia kan nyina ya sedan kwa. Sister bi wo ko ma se wo twesini. Wo chemo a. Wato nsu ade aton. Range over. Hallelujah.
Hey. He said water.
What's water nsu ade
water no water tank e bi no dey na say ice bia na woton a.
Ko malata ma me aton nsu ho be 15 years. 15 or the bob bra fine or the shane ma fine bon to range. I am a woman who me kusam ngu yani so. Yani proof ya na say be tissue. Say me this agro. Mo motivation na the mon keep to mo ho because ya hear who say motivation association for no. And one inspire ni nyina ya papa no. Ti asro mo. And me kan che say waton suo. Men can say bra obi ntimi ntonsu onye yi o.
Oh yeah.
We betimi atonsu aye. Ba sister ye hwe mu. Da ben na wotonsu no. E wo hen. And I would tell you was saying how many years. And I would tell range of me bunny didn't call your popular cry. Me bunny didn't call my governor. Now I'm back as why anything. Nay issue. It's an idea. Me wooding into unfun it son.
Okay, so quickly, this is from the multimedia group now. Yeah, from family and to us when we want to express our condolence to Bishop Takia Boy, the presiding bishop of Victory Bible Church International, for the loss of his sister recently. So from the entire multimedia family, have our condolence. Right, Yamin Chichore, Yaminipa.
It's me at us.
Yeah, Fian to us.
As I may share when I see you.
Sena, a Shamino.
But where guy you?
Oh,
J-Style.
African say Uncle for you, Mammy Shannon for and one Kukuka.
But me, anyway, where guy?
I'm out for saying, you know what I'm saying? Foot you are showing up, and I'm saying, my rock. You know what I'm saying? And I'm saying,
I give them
my romper one. I
give them,
and I'm a showy.
I wear no crowns with me.
Michelle Winswa. Yeah, but a friend saying,
Hate it for no.
I own ya, eh? And I use this or you PlayStation. That's why they use still more. Why am I Pabwa Shem Macorato? Ozube Ida going. What they watch it? I'm back on my main shady. Me, I'm a some her weight, no. A lightweight, a lightweight in the you'll be I know what you go here.
Yes, my address, bro.
It is grandy. My am sure sharing my call to come by force. After we him near Muswa, and also some pressure. Since the make social media, social media users chemo. Ghana for Sabi say Obi Jimmy, Momani who say wo Jimmy. Na Monsiano. And can your culture no. One, enjoy saying Nimpany for atem. 2, enjoy a crass or bar, did the bear matem, not to talk of insulting a man publicly. Yeah. And Tigana for Chema, as a baba will be Sabi o Jimmy Kakra. Now, wo Jimmy no. Almost a comment session, I feel you. I love you. I'm with like, yeah. No. I check you.
Yes, when I can't be Nanko for Fufun Tabine. edi eye nyamransam ewo krom ha
edi dinsen
what you say enti no social media users na awie ometume sister Sandy say me kanche ye ababa ne say wonyai ono nko a it goes to everybody because brands say social media and aside it being cheap no obi atimi cost at any time and abaya fashion they think I don't chesa o ye guy just na chesa o ye ya santoa ena chesa ye ajamaya okoje o my koma na wakunkun ba but enu mom no sabi e chenkra sesam because oba edin se onyini no ohun se wona na bia na o ma me bi mpo edidi be ma atem oferi na no dabo so suro be nei mutimi didia de ba social media na me ade me mobo ye nkwala no bajo ye be starting shoma na nkwala no obeje this at the age of 30 na so Righteous Van Dyke mu nyina wo Instagram in Shabagi Ashley Chooks omu nyina ego Instagram 12 years 13 years and they follow these kind of people. But it's a question of the day, say it means separating beans no from a mono. Near playwright instead of watching.
Afro, but see, it's about the people. Me say, I don't want to mention names. There are lots of people I get to know what they are doing because when news now people are talking about it. But me and Kasa say I will see it because I don't follow them.
What you say?
There are some people.
What you say?
I am not saying I'm better than them, but
Me
do wechi. And then I'm best you know. And then a foot run and so I want what you say. And in the same way, somebody too can follow me.
Yes.
If you only park me study now, anytime you are post to be on full of negativity.
Yes, no.
I'm in for positive vibes.
Positive vibes.
I block you, I go my way. Me sorry now can you pass 3 penny follow me and they are positive people. I roll with them.
You know what I'm saying?
If we all could do this, Charlie. But you see, those people who didn't excuse my French. So if you are there and you are hailing them and you are following them, it motivates them and inspires them to do what they are doing them all.
It's minya kukodro saka say Ghana ha it's meche crowd.
You see that thing?
Sabin kwastia crowd there in time
you. Me sabi anya on self fun wenti na me ba be do it on social media say
me normal. Abey no na bra can because bra senka ade a che onipa ne de to no nya one view ko mo say ngoma ni nje ho but very unfortunately obi trend
Ghana for now on the comment no me can say they are the same people who go and follow them and they are there waiting to assume they want to hear those negative stuff no? And when a banner hits it no do point be so then the same people too are complaining. You see that thing
it's mommy and some na ye hu senia ye be because I Daniel Hosam I may akola bi akoye aeroplane a wo free ekro bi e we chiri e wo say o trendy or non trendy because I did the attempt will not give way
7 p.m.
for it to go.
Now, Osha, why be winning?
And they won't be mess. I train me. We are train me. We are. There will be. Now, Sunday borrow be show me. Sunday borrow be show me.
Okay. Okay. No English.
Have you seen me talking? I'm talking.
Yes, you were talking.
I'm talking.
You
just entered the studio.
Yes, you saw me entering. You saw me entering, but you not heard me talking.
So it's football time.
No, Sunny, I'm disappointed.
No, she's asking the question. Is it football time? Is it commentary time?
It's not football time. I only came to give you an info.
Info of what?
Okay, so what the
match, the upcoming match?
It's irrigated.
It's not about irrigated.
But we are doing fella. So let me finish.
Finish with your filler or take your filler.
Okay, right. Radio. What's in your mouth? Hey, they have been trying to show me ba. Take your filler no. And show me ba.
Okay.
It's in the same color no corona no. Among Adum TV, among form videos no. And send the WhatsApp line be to Adum TV so.
Okay.
We check video of who I want to highlight song of 2 minutes. Now odia ba you be select it. O 3 ye ne account wa you be fro na.
Select found yeah.
Yeah, what I say. It is an about dialect.
Okay.
Na yeah select na enkola na ekra do ama wo.
All right.
Ozo minimum. Unje eja wono no. Men say da kwaku men sa men say da.
Ese wa.
Kwaku men sa men say da. Just so sa men sorry da. Kwaku men sa men ska sa men no.
And sister Sandy be so say that. Oh man. All right, so Phila and I the Ebro no Ugusuti 106.3 at Dome FM, y'all. Easy.
Yep, mic check 1 2.